Want to know the #1 most pervasive myth of women's sexual desire? Accepting the notion that a bubble bath and some mood music are all you need to rekindle your lost libido. That's the #1 most pervasive myth of women's sexual desire. You can't just talk yourself into wanting sex. As women, we're complex sexual beings. Our heads, hearts, and health all play big roles in whether or not we're interested in sex, never mind capable of actually enjoying it. As women, we juggle so many responsibilities: family, home, demanding careers, busy social lives, leave us with little time or energy left when it comes to sex, especially if it isn't all that exciting for them in the first place. Isn't it time to put great sex back in the bedroom? Look, if you've lost your groove. If you make excuses, avoid sex, or even dread it, if you can't seem to find the spark. Or if you're just not into it. Great news, there's nothing wrong with you. Many women feel just as you do, and like you, they wish for more. Even better news, thousands and thousands of women have discovered the secret to rejuvenating their sex drive and enjoyment of sex. You can be one of them. Now's your chance to feel sexy and alive again. To be an extraordinarily sexual woman, and to have the best sexual experiences of your life. There are no pills to take, no manuals to read, no awkward positions or kinky techniques to learn. Our team of sexual health experts has formulated a sensuous, deliciously smooth cream to transform every touch and every stroke into a whole new no-boundaries sensual world. Vigor L is the highest quality topical sexual enhancement cream available, using the purest botanical extracts and naturally derived ingredients. The formula begins with L-arginine, helping to restore proper blood flow to the vaginal region and to increase relaxation, which is necessary for restored sexual desire. Ginkgo biloba also increases blood flow and oxygenation to act as a sexual stimulant. Damiana, wild yam root, and suma support sexual response via enhancing vaginal lubrication and improving hormone levels. Additionally, peppermint helps improve skin absorption of the other ingredients. Vigor L significantly increases pleasure by optimizing several sexual health parameters, including blood flow, oxygenation, relaxation, hormone balance, and lubrication. Vigor L can restore your former sexual intensity or even go beyond what you have ever had. Whether you'd like to get back the electricity and the chemistry you used to feel, or you'd like to experience the real joy of sex for the first time. Additionally, Vigor L is safe and has no reported side effects. Our product is 100% all-natural with no propylene glycol or methaparaban substances. Our 100% money-back no questions asked guarantee. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied, simply return the unused portion within 2 months. You will receive a full 100% refund of the product purchase price. No questions asked. How can we make this incredible guarantee? Because we know you will be satisfied with Vigor L. Click the link in the description below to visit our website for additional information and your 60-day risk-free trial offer.